Hello everyone. Today I'm here to discuss about the lean startup. In this video we'll be discussing about the definition of lean startup, stages of startup and principles associated with that. Lean startup can be defined as a way to deal with business development that depends on the standards of incline creation, fabricating system that values a business capacity to change rapidly. Basically, there are three stages for a startup company. The first one is a customer development, which mostly focuses on finding a problem worth solving, customer interviews, demo pages, etc. The second stage is a customer validation. In this stage, validation of product and business takes place. In the third stage, focus on growth after the validation takes place in customer creation. There are 5 core principles associated with lean startup. First one is entrepreneurs are everywhere. Entrepreneurship is management, validated learning, innovation accounting, build, measure, learn. The first one is entrepreneurs are everywhere. Dealing with the outside world, we see that there are many ideas evolving in the new generations where some of the ideas turned out to be the best, which was tagged out to be impossible to attempt in the past. Every person with a new innovation cannot be an entrepreneur. Rather, it takes stubborn nature and moving forward with the thought of never giving up in spite of facing issues financially and mentally. Entrepreneurship is management. As many startups begin with an idea, and as an institution, it requires new kind of management, specifically geared to its content. This evolves a tailored management that leads to rise terms of many startups. They just do it approach that avoids all the form of management. Lean isn't simply about spending less money. It is about putting a process and methodology around the development of a product. Validated learning. Startups are not just to earn money, make stuff, or serve customers. They are more far than what people think what they serve for. It is attaining a skill to learn how to build and manage a sustainable business, withstanding all the pros and cons. Lean startup are covering innovations moving out the accountings as well. The co-employees training them everyday milestones, making them more proficient in their roles and responsibilities, where they learn every move they make. Innovation accounting. It is an act of improving entrepreneurial outcomes and to hold entrepreneurs accountable. We need to mostly focus on some of the boring stuff like how to measure progress, how to set up milestones, changing the progress of direction, how to prioritize the work. Moving forward with these strategies requires new way of thought leading with effective throughput, effortlessly and with no time consumption. As the very first step, measuring the progress in the field of their escalation need to be more focused with what they intend to do at every single second. Build, measure, learn. Here lies the whole essence of a startup where the ideas turn up into products, measuring customers, how they respond, and learn whether to pivot or preserve. Geared up to accelerate feedback loop